me show you how I make oven roasted chicken that actually tastes better than fried. In this video, we will cover the area of how to prevent soggy skin, achieve deep flavor, even browning, brighter taste, juicier meat, and better color and texture. So watch till the end so that you don't miss any of my tips. The first thing to do is to dry your chicken very well. If the chicken is wet, it will steam in the oven. I personally don't want soft skin. To achieve deep flavor or taste, I will season my chicken very well. Don't be shy about it. More seasoning, the better. I like to lightly spray some oil, not to pour a lot. This helps the chicken to brown evenly and it will give it that nice roasted look, right? Then I squeeze in some lemon juice, not too much, just enough to balance the richness. I will cover to let it rest. Just for 1 hour makes a big difference, but the longer it marinates, the better. I will set my oven to 375 Fahrenheit and use the roast setting, not bake. Roast will give you a better color and deeper taste. Remember to turn the chicken halfway through, at least every 10 to 15 minutes. That way both sides cook evenly and come out perfect. Once the chicken is brown and it's good the way you want it, remove it from the oven. Oh my goodness, look at that. Tell me why you won't try this recipe. This method works for me. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed already, thank you for subscribing. This is Lydia. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.